not a good seat.
Numbers have widened 25-42. 25 for the Aam Aadmi Party.
Wait till 11 o'clock. Wait till 11
42 for
o'clock.
the BJP. Abhishek, if I can quickly go through the seats where the BJP has beaten Aam Aadmi Party this time around. BJP overtaking Aam Aadmi Party, which won in Mundka the last time. BJP is leading. Nangloi Jat, BJP is leading. Shalimar Bagh, BJP is leading. Shakur Basti, BJP is leading. Trinagar, BJP is leading. Wazirpur, BJP is leading. Sadar Bazar, BJP is leading. Chandni Chowk, BJP leading. Karol Bagh, BJP leading. Patel Nagar, BJP leading. Moti Nagar, BJP leading. Rajouri Garden, BJP leading. Harinagar, BJP leading. Janakpuri, BJP leading. Dwarka, BJP leading. Najafgarh, BJP leading. Bijwasan, BJP leading. Delhi, कहाँ पे भाई? Delhi cantonment BJP is leading. Rajinder Nagar, BJP leading. New Delhi constituency, BJP leading. Jangpura, BJP leading. Kasturba Nagar, BJP leading. Malve Nagar, BJP leading. RK Puram, BJP leading. Mehrauli, BJP leading. Chatarpur, BJP leading. Ambedkar Nagar, SC seat, BJP leading. Sangam Vihar, BJP leading. Kalkaji, BJP leading. Tughlakabad, BJP leading. Okla, Abhishek, BJP leading. Patparganj, BJP leading.
All these are
14.
just a manifestation of the division of vote.
Shalini Ali, Okla, BJP leading. How is it possible? How is it possible?
Because the vote is got divided.
Vote cutter parties. Vote cutter parties.
Between the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party. So that clearly leads to BJP winning in one of those seats.
Listen to Shalini about Okla.
See, with the minorities, they want progress. Minorities are wanting the government to stand up for them. Minorities are supporting BJP. What more can you want that you've got the minority coming out and speaking out on the TV and television and saying that yes, we are voting for BJP. What else do you want? You've got Shifa or Rahman on one side from AIMIM. You've got Ariba on the other hand, and then you've got Amanatullah, who has taken in loads and loads and loads of acres of land from the Waqf board. I mean, you look at it. You've got BJP government supporting the minorities today for their upliftment. It would have been a major setback had Amanatullah been leading till now. I would have been very disappointed personally for this reason.
I'm going to Karan, I'm telling you, you can take it over.
One more lead in the election commission, 3 leads to the BJP.
3 leads to the BJP. BJP's vote share right now, more votes are being counted, so the vote share stabilizing. Not the final, of course, it was stabilized only by 1231. BJP has about 43% of the vote share so far. Aam Aadmi Party, 39% of the vote share. That's a 15% drop from 2020. Indian National Congress, 17.7% of the vote share.
Niranjan, 1 second.
What Aam Aadmi Party has lost has come to the Congress
Niranjan, there were 14 seats. There were
vote share.
1 second. There were 14 seats in particular. Matia Mahal, Balli Maran, Okhla, Chandni Chowk, Silampur, to name a few. These were specifically targeted by the Congress, including by Rahul Gandhi, because they knew that they had to hurt up here.
Only one to go, Niranjan.